Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I've been very busy with my work. I'm a social media manager. I am basically working all the time. Like, I'm a freelancer, so it's really hard to find a great time to film. I rather shop. So keep an eye out for my next video because it's going to be fun. But now in today's video, I'm going to unbox my birthday present. I bought it myself, actually. It's a birthday present for me, to me. I'm unboxing my very first Coach handbag. So Coach is one of the brands that I really loved in the early 2000s. I was a little bit too young for it, but I loved it anyway. And now I feel like I have the chance to actually order these Y2K bags on my birthday. So the 22nd of January, I was scrolling on Printemps. It's a French multi-brand store, very expensive store. But I feel like this bag is pretty affordable. And I got it, I ordered it, and it came like 3 days later. So loved it for me, and now I'm going to finally unbox this bag because it's been waiting for me a couple of days now and I just have to see it. Nothing makes me happier than opening up packages. So here it is. And now I'm going to remove all these little plastic things. The Demi bag, limited re-edition from 2003. So I was 5 years old the day this bag came out. How iconic. So this is it. The Coach and Demi, worth every penny. I love it. I feel like there's a lot of space in here. Like, I actually expected it to be a much smaller. I'm also used to big, huge bags. I feel like this is the perfect size. I love it. I really love it. I should try it on now. Okay, this is it for today's video. Happy birthday to me, and yeah, see you again next time for another video. Bye bye.